Hi, I'm Miss Pavner. Welcome to chemistry. Kind of. Okay, this will be probably how I'm doing it. Me here in front of my TV, PowerPoint, I'm not really sure. What I want you to know for the open house information is how to get in touch with me, how your student needs to keep on top of things. I've already set up reminds, okay? So when they go on and they go on virtual, they can probably, I don't know if Canvas is up for them or not. We just got Canvas this morning, the different classes, so I don't know. Make sure they sign up for Remind, or I'll send out texts to the different classes telling them of things. There'll also be obviously Teams, which will be signed on. They need to sign on through Clever on a daily basis. So your student may download the app, okay, but they really want them to go through Clever in order to take attendance. As of now, I'm not saying that's how it's going to be later, all right? So more importantly, how is your student going to be affected by chemistry, okay? Their textbook is online. They can get it once again through Clever. I'm also going to be introducing modules that have what they need to read in textbook format or also in PDF format. There'll be questions, then there'll be tests, all of which will be online through Canvas, okay? Everything that's going to be graded is going to be graded through Canvas. They're going to upload assignments through Canvas. They're going to take their tests through Canvas. Any accommodations, the good news that your students need, either for ESOL, for ESE, for 504, whatever it may be, all of that stuff is already done for through Canvas when I upload it. It's like Canvas knows everything. So if you get your student gets time and a half or whatever it is, it already takes that into account when setting up dates and things like that. I don't know how, but it does. So yay there. There's also information on the Flanagan website if you want for that one. But for me, what we need to know is I also have my own website, which already has PowerPoint presentations. It has the order that we're going to be doing everything. It has the syllabus. It has all of that stuff before Canvas is ready. And when Canvas goes down or crashes or whatever, which we know it does, my website will still be available. Okay, so we'll have that. My cat will join us on many, many occasions. With me with regular chemistry, since this is regular chemistry, I allow, and the same thing's going to hold true, your student needs to take notes. Why? Because they can use their notes on their test. You're like, they could do that anywhere where they were at home. Well, you know, but they can, I'm encouraging such things because all of the tests are going to be timed. So your student will be able to look at a test question once. And if they don't have their notes in front of them in some organized fashion, they're not going to do well. Even if I've given them everything that I can, we've gone over everything, and they can copy the textbook or have it, you know, practically in front of them, they need to be organized because when you write stuff down, it hits stuff with your brain. But their tests will always be in conjunction with being able to utilize their notes, okay? All their work, once again, through Clever. I don't know how, if we did labs in class, obviously that's not up for discussion anymore. I will look for the same type of lab for information on YouTube or something like that so they can get visualization of it. The textbook itself online also has many, many, many labs that can be looked at. So it's not so bad with chemistry having to do this. So once again, make sure your student has Teams on their computer, okay, because it's going to need to be, I mean, they can do it through their cell, but that's hard. You know, some way to upload all of their stuff. I mean, I don't even care. Last year I took pictures, but then I have to be able to read the handwriting. So let's make sure I can do that if that's the case. All right. Please note once again, 6th and 7th period have different reminds. So in case, you know, one day we're having something in one class and one day something else in another class, just to make sure, okay, that we have that. Teams, once again, they want us to really reiterate the fact that it is very important to sign in through Clever. Okay, Pinnacle, Canvas, I'm not waiting till the end of the 9 weeks to load up their grades. So pay attention to Canvas. Pay attention to Pinnacle. Canvas too. Pay attention to Pinnacle because that's the official grade book. Canvas is not the grade keeper, okay? All right, well, that was my 5-minute mark. So if you ever need to contact me, you can email me or Teams.